Hi friends, if 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 72, then what is the value of x? At first, we will try to write down this 4 as 2 power 2 and then power x equal to 72. Now, we do know in index law, if there's a power m, then power n, then we can switch the power, which is a power n and then power m, because they both are equal to a power mn. So 2 power x as it is, but here 2 power 2 and then power x, I'll be switching them. So I'll be writing 2 power x and then power 2. So I'm using this principle here, and that is equal to 72. Now I'll be taking my 2 power x equal to something. So let y equal to 2 power x. So I'll be substituting y at the place of 2 power x. So that will give me y plus y square equal to 72. Now I'll take my 72 on the left hand side, which will give me y plus y square minus 72 equal to 0. Now write it down like the square thing is first, so it looks good. So y square plus y minus 72 equal to 0. Now I can factorize that monic trinomial. So I can take my minus 72 here, and I go to take the factors in such a way I get positive 1. So if I take 9 and minus 8, so 9 times minus 8 is minus 72, and 9 minus 8 is plus 1. So my factors will be y plus 9 and y minus 8 equal to 0. So now I can individually equate with the 0. So y plus 9 equal to 0 and y minus 8 equal to 0. So my y value is equal to negative 9 and my y value equal to positive 8. Now, my y is 2 power x. We know, like we have taken y 2 power x as y. So I can replace it back. So that will give me 2 power x equal to minus 9 and 2 power x equal to 8. My 2 power x is always bigger than 0. It can never be less than 0. So there is no solution for this. It is not possible. So there is no solution for this case. Now we'll look at this right hand side. So 2 power x equal to 8. 8 I can write down as 2 power 3. Now I got a 2 and 2 same base. So my x will be equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is coming as a solution, but we will check is it working or not. So to check, I'll substitute x equal to 3 in my equation. 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 72. So I'll substitute x equal to 3. So 2 power 3 plus 4 power 3 equal to 72. Now 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 4 power 3 is 4 times 4, 16. 16 4s are 64. And that is 72. Now 64 plus 8 is 72. So 72 equal to 72, which is matching. That means x equal to 3 is the correct solution for the equation 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 72. Thank you, guys.